Welcome to our guide on removing your bank account from PrizePicks. Let's explore the platform's banking options. You might be considering this for various reasons, whether it's for privacy concerns or simply wanting to change your payment methods. First, let's access your account settings. Log into PrizePicks and look for your profile icon at the top right corner. Now, navigate to the Payment Methods section where you'll find your bank account management options. Click on the bank account you wish to remove and then select the Remove option. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Once you've removed your bank account, you'll see a confirmation message. Make sure to double-check to ensure it's removed successfully. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or ensure that you're logged into the correct account. PrizePicks offers various payment options, including PayPal and card payments, making it flexible and user-friendly. Managing your account securely is essential. Always ensure that you keep your login credentials safe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this.